thank you so much for dropping by my channel, and today I'm just going to do a craft quick share to share with you guys. I am not going to show the step-by-step method of what I'm going to do, but here's my intentions and here's what I'm planning to do and the tools that I'll be needing to make them. I have 4 boxes of flowers, like they're random flowers. Like I have small flowers and big flowers, and those bagged up flowers and regular flowers. And I also have some autumn corn and pine and things like that in that box. Now what I'm planning to do is I picked this one up from the cemetery. It's an old cross, and the flowers, you guys know they get dirty in time and stuff like that. So I replaced them with new ones. So what I'll be doing is, since the cross is still good, I'll just be cleaning them because I kind of like the look of this kind of old looking. But you guys could repaint them if you like. It's all up to you, but that's what I'll be doing. I'll be taking these off and I'll find a flower to put on there. I don't know yet which one I'm going to use. I'm going to use my glue gun. I'm going to use this brush to clean it out. I'm going to use this screwdriver in case I need it. I'm going to be using this one to cut the tools with. And then I also have this wreath. It's for the fall. The items fell out, so I'll just probably try and find something to stick on there and use my glue gun so I could reuse it for the fall. I don't know yet what I'm going to do with the whole thing, but once it's all done, I'll let you guys know. You guys know I don't do this step by step to show you guys what I'm going to be doing. I just show you guys what I'm planning to do and give you kind of like an idea. I don't usually show the entirety of it, like what I'll be doing with it, what comes up with it, because everyone has their own crafting style, and no one crafting style is wrong. Everyone has their own style, but this is just an idea of what I'll be doing with this project. When it gets done or what have you, I will also share that with you guys, because I usually like to take my time. So if you guys, I can't just sit and do it. I have other things I have to do, then I'll have to get around to it and do it. So that's how I do crafting. Now the reason why I don't share that stuff with you guys, because some of the crafting stuff that I do, they're just basic stuff, like regular stuff. But if I do find something interesting or worthwhile to share, I do make a video out of it. Like the pasta machine. Nobody really does that. Not a lot of people do that. All they do is just get the Cricut or get a big kick or what have you. Easy peasy, no worries. But see, I always try to find different ways to do things, and that's just my nature. Now with this other project that I'm planning to do is I'm going to be doing something with this Bath & Body Works candle holder. I have no earthly idea yet exactly what I'm going to be doing with them, but I know it's going to be with flowers, with probably rocks or pebbles. I will probably put them under here to put some weight in it, because like I said, it's just going to be a decoration for outdoors, and chances are I'll probably leave them open air, and I might put like little plants from the Dollar Tree there, maybe. I have no idea. Or I will just leave them as is. Just pick out some flowers here. But that's what I'm planning to do for this craft with me time. Give you an idea, and I will let you guys know once I've progressed with the project. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click my links for updates, and always remember to have peace in your heart. Bye everyone. Alright you guys, this is the finished product of the project that I was trying to do. I already did a Walmart haul, a Ace Hardware haul. I also did a Kroger haul. Where else did I go? I also got some mukbang. I got some KFC. You guys know that's the usual. some Long Johns, and then we also got McDonald's, and some ice cream at the Dairy Queen, and some ice cream at another ice cream shop. I think it's called Dairy Shed. And we also Dollar Tree. We also did a Dollar Tree haul, and we also went to the Dollar General. But like I told you guys before, when there's small hauls, I tend not to show. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and finish off this project. But I added some scissors to the project and this cutter to cut the stems of the flowers. And I told you I was going to make a flower arrangement using my empty Bath and Body Works empty candle jars, and that's what I did with it. And I used the duct tape to hold the flowers because it was getting toppled over, and I placed some rocks in there for kind of a little bit of weight so it won't easily get toppled over. But I did make a huge bouquet, and whenever I go to fix up the stuff, I will go ahead and add those to that one. And I'm going to start making my own arrangements for them because I really enjoy when it's hardy, like really a lot of colors and things like that. And since I run into flowers every now and again, and they also have them at the Dollar Tree for $1, I said, you know, I might as well make my own arrangement. And what I did with this one is it's all seasons. So there's winter, there's fall, spring, and summer. There's some in there too. And some of those black-eyed Susans, and these pink ones, and there's some other ones in there. But I think this is going to be for my dad, because this is my first one. So that's going to be for my dad. I'm going to leave that by the tombstone when I am able to go up to see him. Till then, I'm going to hold on to that one. Now this one, I refurbished the cross. I scrubbed it real good, and then the things didn't really totally fall off, so I just kept them. And I added newer flowers, like newer blooms, and I just glued them on there. And I made my own design. That one's gonna stay here with us, and that's gonna be for here. And then the same with this one. I just added the flowers. I used the glue gun, and I stuck some flowers in there. I have loose flowers, and I have bouquet of flowers. So that's that one, and I just scrubbed it. I didn't paint it or anything. Now with the wreath that I showed you guys that broke off, I have these corns. They're not real. They're decorative, so I just stuck them on there for the fall, and I will stick it back up whenever, you know, fall comes by. But that is it, you guys. That is all I have for you for this quick craft with me, you know, kind of DIY refurbish old decors and my little flower arrangement. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, you know what I do with my Bath and Body Works empty candle jars. You could also do that with other candle jars. With that being said, hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click my links for updates, and always remember to have peace in your heart. Bye everyone.